Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Start by preparing your media before you open the Avid project. Import video and separate audio tracks into a new bin. Make sure all audio files are at 48 kHz sample rate for reliable matching. Confirm your video frame rate is consistent across clips, for example, 24 or 30 frames per second. Choose either waveform matching or timecode depending on whether you recorded timecode. Waveform matching is ideal for double system audio. Select the video clip and corresponding audio tracks inside the bin. Right-click and choose Auto Sync and select Waveform or Timecode Matching. If your waveform appears shifted, enter a manual offset such as 0. 5 seconds to correct alignment. Use the program monitor to verify the sync visually and listen to check for lip sync. Ripple trim any excess start or tail to keep edits tight. Lock tracks to prevent accidental moves after syncing is complete. Repeat for all takes in the bin. After auto-syncing, play back each clip to find small timing errors. Use the audio nudge command to move audio by 1 frame until lips match. If larger adjustments are needed, nudge by 3 frames or trim by fractions of a second. Consolidate your synced video and audio into a single clip to simplify the timeline. When you export, ensure the sequence maintains 48 kHz audio and the same frame rate as your footage. Save a project backup before mass exporting synced media for safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.